Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Naila Nur Insani. Here I will present about smoking in the campus area. There are two perspectives about this problem, namely the first smoker's perspective. Some people believe that smoking is a personal choice and part of individual fandom as long as it doesn't direct harm others. They view smoking is a means of social interaction, a way to relieve stress, and a lifestyle of innate habit. Believing they are immune to health risks or only smoke occasionally. Next, a non-smoker perspective. Smoking, both active and passive, is extremely harmful to our health. Smoking not only harms the smoker, but also those who inhale the smoke. As a place of learning and teaching, universities are obligated to provide a healthy, smoke-free environment for all campus residents. Next, introduction to this issue. The campus environment should be a comfortable place for learning, innovation, personal development, and maintaining health. Many universities in Indonesia have implemented smoke-free policies in line with regional and national regulation that prohibit smoking in public places and teaching and learning areas. Violations of these rules will result in sentence. A smoke-free policy on campus is also the first step in granting a healthy, comfortable, and smoke-free campus environment. How many people smoke in Indonesia? Data on smokers in Indonesia in 2025 show that, according to the Ministry of Health, there are 70 million active smokers. That on the 2023 Indonesia Healthy Survey, or 19 million people, according to a higher estimate for 2025. Smoking is not only bad for the individual, but also for those around them. A single cigarette contains more than 4,000 types of chemicals that are harmful to the body. Negative impact of smoking. There are several negative impacts of the habit of smoking, namely 1. Impact on the campus image. Negative reputation decreases the quality of the learning environment, requests and potential partner. 2. Impact on academic. Decreasing concentration and memory, decreasing motivation to learn, mental healthy problems. 3. Impact on the environment. Cigarette butt pollution, air pollution, increased fire risk, static and hygiene disruption. Next, negative impacts of smoking on health. 1. Increased stress. Smokers think smoking relieves stress, but nicotine can increase heart rate and blood pressure, which can worsen symptoms of anxiety and dependence over time. 2. Active smokers. Gargulug, mouth, throat, heart disease, stroke, chronic respiratory disorders, decreased lung function. 3. Passive smokers. Respiratory problems, eye and throat irritation, and the same long-term illness as active smokers. Solution to this problem. The most fundamental step is to implement and enforce a smoke-free policy across campus, both indoors and outdoors. 1. Strict rules. There are rector regulation of official circulars that prohibit all forms of smoking on campus. 2. Posting no smoking sign. Post clear and easily visible no smoking sign in every building, entrance, parking lot, and other public areas. 3. Strict sentence. Implement consistent sentence or disciplinary action for violators who violate campus regulation. Continuing education. Conducting outreach about the dangers of smoking through seminar, poster, and social media. 5. Habit switching. Encourage replacing smoking with other activities such as regular exercise or eating healthy foods. 6. No smoking area. To emphasize that the entire campus is a smoking-free zone. And here I will explain a little about question words. What is a question word? Question words are frequently used in English communication. They are used to ask questions, to seek information about things like time, place, people, object, reason, and methods. Question word can be used in both direct and indirect speech. We can also recognize and refer to question word as the 5W plus 1H. Question word formula, question word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb plus question mark. What are the forms of question words? There are 9 forms of question word in English, namely 8W plus 1H. These question words are what, where, when, why, who, which, was, whom, and how. Next, use of question word. What? Used to ask about object, activities, and other specific things. Where? Used to ask about location and place. When? Used to ask when an event occurred. Why? Used to ask of reason and causes. Who? Used to ask from someone's identity. Which? Used to ask for a choice among several opinions. Was used to ask about ownership or who owns and time. Whom used to ask about the object of an action. How used to ask about methods, condition, and circumstances. Example of interrogative sentence. A few examples. 1. What are you doing? I am reading a book. 2. Where are you going? I am going to the cafeteria for lunch. 3. When did you arrive? I just arrived. 4. Where are you learning English? I am learning English because I want to travel abroad. 5. Who is the president of Indonesia? The president of Indonesia is Prabowo Subianto. 6. Which color do you prefer, yellow or red? I like yellow. 7. Whose bag is this? This is my friend's bag. 8. Who did you see at the party? I saw my friend at the party. 9. How do you get to school? I go to school by bus. Last, conclusion. By learning English question word, we can communicate effectively by asking questions to obtain information and indirect in both everyday and formal conversations. Mastering question word like who, what, when, where, why, and how can help you ask questions more natural and understand others' answer. Furthermore, this can improve our English communication skill, much or comprehension. That is all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.